What are the dangers of consuming alcohol while taking antibiotics?
Hello everyone. In today's discussion, we are going to dive deep into an often misunderstood topic, the dangers of consuming alcohol while taking antibiotics. The interaction between these substances is a crucial topic, as mixing them could potentially lead to adverse effects.
What happens when you mix alcohol and antibiotics?
Alcohol can interfere with the effectiveness of antibiotics. While antibiotics are designed to fight bacterial infections, consuming alcohol can cause dehydration, which may slow down the body's ability to heal itself. Moreover, alcohol is a substance that your body needs to break down, just like many medications, and they both mainly occur in the liver. Combining the two can lead to increased workload on the liver.
What are the potential side effects?
Mixing alcohol and antibiotics can cause a range of unwanted side effects. These may include 1. Nausea and vomiting. Alcohol can cause these symptoms on its own, but when mixed with certain antibiotics, the likelihood increases. 2. Dizziness and unsteadiness. Alcohol can enhance the side effects of antibiotics, causing an increase in feelings of dizziness and unsteadiness. 3. Rapid heart rate. Certain antibiotics can cause an uncomfortable reaction when mixed with alcohol, leading to symptoms like rapid heart rate, difficulty breathing, and changes in blood pressure. 4. Liver damage. Both alcohol and some antibiotics can be hard on your liver. The combination can increase the risk of liver damage.
Are there any exceptions?
The majority of antibiotics don't interact with alcohol, but it's always best to avoid the combination to allow your body the best chance to fight the infection. It's important to always follow the advice of your healthcare provider or pharmacist.
What should you do if you've consumed alcohol while on antibiotics?
If you've consumed alcohol while taking antibiotics, don't panic. Stop drinking, stay hydrated, and contact a healthcare professional if you experience any adverse effects. The key is to be aware and proactive in your healthcare. In conclusion, while not all antibiotics interact with alcohol, it's best to avoid the combination to maximize the effectiveness of your medication and reduce the risk of side effects. Always remember, your health is the top priority. Stay informed and make safe choices. Thank you for watching, and remember, your well-being matters.